So dear subscribers, they'll tell us so how to fix the problem with your Start Miner. So if Start Miner not working on your Windows, so how you can also fix that. So for fixing that, you just need to tap on WinR at one time. So after you will see this one menu and just right here Control, just tap on Enter. So now you just need to open troubleshooting in your computer. So just right here troubleshooting. So after you just need to find here or just run your troubleshooting. And just here you can also just try this one for fixing that. Also after you can try to update your system. So just open system after, or you can also just right here update. Sorry, it's not here. Let's just go back and just choose here system. And just from here you can find update your system. So just find here update and just check updates for your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.